welcome to a presentation on why antibiotics. Hello everyone. Hello, my name is Madeline Fraser, and I am part of Group 3. So today I will be discussing the ethical aspects against antibiotic use in food animals. So, to begin, antibiotic use in food animals for treatment of and animals has become more popular and antibiotics are being added to the animal's feed, and this is growth. So this is then to promote more reproduction of the animals, get more meat, milk, eggs, etc. And of course, this is all in a shorter time period in order to have more mass distribution and a way larger profit gain. Furthermore, the main issue in using antibiotics in food animals is actually the overuse and irresponsible excessive distribution of those antibiotics to animals. And this is because with frequent use of those antibiotics, the bacteria that the antibiotics are supposed to get rid of do end up instead becoming bloodstream and do become immune to the antibiotics. So it's not going to help at all, and you're just going to continue to fester. So this develops a resistance to those antibiotics, as superbugs, thus rendering them no longer effective, which can or public health, and even the health of the animals and their community and diseases are now spread. So, on a more larger scale, every year about 2 million people do get infected with bacterial resistance to at least one of the antibiotics used because of the that have the bacterial resistance, or they didn't have to fight off that bacteria and thus getting them sick and infected. And out of those 2 million people affected, at least about 23,000 people did die from those infections, and this is not including the deaths of the people that died from their conditions that were worsened by the infection that they got. So, all in all, antibiotic resistance that's why